Is Gmail receiving emails, but your phone is not showing notifications? In this video, I'll show you the main settings to check on Android. First, open the Gmail app. Tap the three-line menu in the top left corner. Scroll down and tap Settings. Select the Gmail account that is not showing notifications. Scroll to the Notifications section, tap Email Notifications, and choose All. When High Priority Only is selected, Gmail may notify you about only certain important messages. Next, tap Manage Notifications. Your phone's Gmail notification settings will open. Turn on Allow Notifications or All Gmail Notifications. Also check the notification categories below it. Make sure email notifications, sounds, vibration, notification badges, and lock screen alerts are enabled based on your preference. Now return to Gmail settings. Scroll down and make sure Sync Gmail is turned on. Gmail needs to sync new messages before it can send notifications. Next, open your phone's Settings app. Tap Apps, then select Gmail. Tap Notifications and confirm that notifications are allowed. Return to the Gmail app information page. Tap Battery. Choose Optimized or Unrestricted when Gmail notifications arrive very late. Avoid choosing Restricted because this can limit Gmail's background activity. Some phones reduce background activity while Battery Saver is active. When Gmail still does not notify you, open Settings, tap Apps, select Gmail, and choose Storage and Cache. Tap Clear Cache. Do not tap Clear Storage. That's how to fix Gmail notifications not working on Android. Subscribe to Kiba Creative for more simple Android and Google account tutorials.